now. Well, we already went here before. And the mountains. You need to have your stomach used to all the curves along the way here. Look at how pretty it is. It's also almost just us. Let's go. Centro Fondo, Val Campbelle. 500 chilometri. Metri, sorry. Bobo. But the way going here is a bit... You have to get your stomach used to it.
Most,
Look at the view over there too.
it's mostly the driver needs to know how to drive in bikes.
Yeah. No, but as a passenger,
Well, it's not that bad.
if you're not used to going up the mountains with tight roads and sometimes without barricades, it's a bit challenging. Bobo! Bobo! So, still along the way, you can still drive here, not just walk anyway. And then over there, there's also a Sentiero dell'Acqua that we tried last time. Boo, your tissue might be needed later. And then these are houses, or do they rent them out sometimes for campers too?
Sometimes you rent, probably.
And then you can see in the mountains over there that on top there's still very, very tiny bit of snow that's about to melt. Over there, see. Over here instead we have some body of water. Is it a part of a river or something?
I don't know, probably we go to Brenta.
Yeah, go straight to the Brenta. Probably. So where we parked way before. So we will have also a nice walk around here. But you can certainly push through with your car and park also in this area. See, there's still houses and people park here, pass by here. So you see, you can park also here and then walk from here. There's the Sentiero Didattico dell'Acqua going here. We already tried it last time, but from the last time we tried it, it's not really, let's say, a well-kept path. It's not that much taken care of, so nothing really special. We prefer going here. And then Rifugio Caldenave. So refuge over there. We go straight. Still. That view over there too. It's nice seeing different shapes and colors of mountains around here. Then let's go here. We saw a dog passing by over there. I don't know where the human was. This is the Rifugio, and parking is pretty full. It's just 1:49 p.m. It's just 1:49 p.m. anyway. So after lunch, most probably people are still having coffee, and also it's not just like a bar anyway, right? They have proper meals there. La Montaña Racconta. Whew. You can hear it in camera, but you literally can hear that plane from afar flying over this area. Right, Boo Boo? Look at that, so nice. This area, we went over there last year, and then unfortunately I needed to slide down this part. If I still have the video, I'm gonna try to pull it up. And at the back of these logs, instead, it's wet. So it was maybe knee-deep water. And still logs. Over there, if I remember correctly, there were some cows before. Don't see any now. Look at that path over there. Look at how steep that is. Still on the main road anyway. Is the only sentiero around here the Sentiero dell'Acqua? Ooh, look at that! It's paragliding, so cool.
It's trying to land.
Something that we will never try.
You bet.
Agritour, Malga Casarina. Casarina. Che cosa? Cucina casalinga e prodotti caseari. In 800 metri. See, there's a CR here. A CR. There's a toilet, I suppose, but it's locked. Or no? It's locked. There's no running water either here if you wanna drink.
I was trying to see.
But there's some benches over there where you could chill. Over there too. Later we will pass by the stream of water where you can dip your feet. On the main road, let's go over here. Someone did some barbecue. Ooh. That you already hear the sound of the water from here. It's a bit rocky going though. Gotta be careful. Look at the path. Nice. It's cool. Look at that. Look at this stream of water. Did you drink from here?
Yeah.
So nice. Let's see. Right here.